In the quiet hum of offices around the world, a storm is forming. Not in the form of layoffs from an economic downturn, not because of outsourcing, but because of a single AI update that could erase millions of jobs in months. Imagine walking into your office one morning and realizing your role is now done faster, cheaper, and more accurately by a machine that wasn't capable of this just last week. This isn't a distant sci-fi future. This is happening right now, and the clock is ticking for anyone who still believes their job is safe. The truth is, office work has always evolved, but the speed of this change is unlike anything we've ever faced. We adapted from typewriters to computers over decades. We shifted from filing cabinets to the cloud over years. But now, AI can evolve overnight. One update can make a tool 10 times faster, 10 times smarter, and suddenly your value in the corporate chain drops to zero. It's not about replacing one worker at a time. It's about replacing entire departments in a single software patch. Let me take you back to a real example. Just 6 months ago, a major marketing firm quietly replaced their content team of 45 people with a single AI-powered system after a new update allowed it to generate, proofread, and publish articles indistinguishable from human work in less than 5 minutes. These weren't low-skilled positions. These were university graduates with years of experience, suddenly replaced because one update unlocked creative abilities the AI didn't have before. Now, multiply that scenario across accounting, project management, legal assistance, data analysis. The scale of potential job loss is staggering. Some might say AI can't possibly match the human touch in decision-making. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most office decisions are repetitive, pattern-based, and rule-driven. That's exactly where AI thrives. When OpenAI released GPT-4, analysts said it could handle 80% of administrative tasks. With the leap to GPT-5 and this rumored update that integrates real-time decision-making with instant access to live corporate data, the AI won't just assist, it will control. And when a machine can process more information in a second than you can in a lifetime, the CEO isn't going to think twice about who gets the job. If you think your title protects you, manager, coordinator, specialist, you need to ask yourself a dangerous question. What happens when AI learns your job's entire playbook from the company database and then executes it without lunch breaks, sick days, or salary demands? The answer is already here. Companies are trialing AI CEOs in experimental settings, and in some cases, they're outperforming human leadership in metrics like profitability and decision speed. That's not science fiction. That's a beta test of your replacement. Before we go deeper, tell me in the comments what you do for work, because I'm willing to bet I can show you exactly how AI could take over your role in less than a year. And if you think I'm wrong, let's prove it. Now, let's talk about the real danger. This isn't just automation. This is consolidation of power. Imagine an AI that, after one update, can draft contracts, negotiate terms, create presentations, analyze competitors, and run simulations on market outcomes, all at the same time. A human worker is a linear machine. You do one thing at a time. AI is parallel. It does everything at once and does it with perfect memory and zero bias for coffee breaks or office politics. What employer would choose you over that? And here's the part no one wants to admit. AI doesn't just do the job. It learns from every single interaction in real time. Every mistake you make, it never repeats. Every success you have, it perfects and scales instantly. That's like training your replacement every day without realizing it. When that update hits, the AI already knows your job better than you do. In the finance sector, we're already seeing early tremors. Investment firms are using AI that can interpret global economic data in seconds, generating risk assessments and portfolio strategies instantly. Entire teams of junior analysts are being let go, not because they were bad at their jobs, but because the machine was faster and never got tired. In legal firms, AI can now scan millions of case files and draft airtight contracts in minutes. Paralegals are becoming obsolete. In human resources, AI can sift through thousands of resumes, schedule interviews, and assess candidates without bias. Well, without human bias. This isn't about whether AI will take jobs. That debate is over. This is about the speed and scale of the takeover. One single update can be the tipping point. Think of it like a dam that's been holding back a flood. Each new AI update is a crack. This upcoming one, it could be the collapse that sends the flood rushing in, sweeping away the stability of office work as we know it. Some might still hold on to hope, thinking creativity is the last safe harbor. But that's the exact field where AI has made its most terrifying progress. From design software that can create original brand campaigns overnight to AI video tools that produce entire commercials without a single camera operator or editor, the creative departments are now squarely in the AI crosshairs. And once it's cheaper, faster, and statistically more effective, emotional loyalty to human creators won't save those roles. I want you to really picture this. A year from now, your favorite coworker isn't a person. It's an algorithm. Your manager doesn't walk into the room. They log in from a server. Your promotions are decided by a performance review conducted by a machine that measures every email you've sent, every meeting you've joined, and every task you've completed against the perfect efficiency of AI. And when you fall short, you don't get a pep talk. You get replaced. Now here's the twist. For those who adapt, this AI wave is also the biggest opportunity of your lifetime. If you can position yourself as the person who controls, trains, or directs the AI, you become irreplaceable, at least for a while. Instead of being the worker, you become the strategist. But that window is closing fast, and the people who act now will own the future job market. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this happen. Learn the tools, understand the systems, and position yourself ahead of the update. Because when it drops, it won't wait for you to catch up. The world doesn't slow down for anyone, and AI moves faster than all of us. The question isn't if your job will be affected. The question is, how soon, and whether you will be ready. If you're serious about surviving this shift, subscribe now, because in my next video, I'll reveal the specific skills that will keep you ahead of AI for at least the next 5 years. This is not a drill. This is the beginning of the biggest shift in the history of office work. And when that update arrives, you'll either be on the side that controls the AI or the side that gets replaced by it.